Indaba bafowethu esizibonile laphana zingena indaba zokuthi bafowethu i-Kaizer Chiefs isisayine uPhili bafowethu, njengoba sazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kade imgaqele bafowethu lo mdlalo ukuthi imsayine, but okumangaza abantu abaningi-ke bafowethu ukuthi kubonakale i-Kaizer Chiefs isenda 2 players plus ucash for uPhili. Iyona-ke bafowethu into engifuna ukuthi ngike ngiyidiscuss. Do you think ukuthi that is a good move bafowethu ukuthi because vele besikulindele ukuthi uDupreez ngicabanga ukuthi uyena umuntu obevele ebalwa kwi-conversation from the beginning, and siyazi-ke bafowethu ukuthi uDupreez ubese umuntu vele kwi-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu ongasekho kuma-pecking orders aphezulu since kune-striker ezinye bafowethu bezenza kangcono kunaye kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, since ibonile futhi i-Kaizer Chiefs nalaphana isayina uMayo bafowethu kwi-permanent deal from le team akade idlalela bafowethu i-CBR. So manje vele bekubonakala bafowethu ukuthi uDupreez kungenzeka ukuthi angasurvive, but-ke bafowethu okushaqise abantu abaningi bafowethu ukubona i-defender laphana uGiven Simango naye eba yiphathi yale deal. Njengoba sibonile-ke bafowethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwa kule deal isende 2 players plus ucash for uPhiri, and uPhili bafowethu is a great addition kwi-Kaizer Chiefs considering ukuthi even uLilepo bafowethu have left i-Kaizer Chiefs, noma-ke phela kungakabi into confirmed, but umuntu njengamanje oyibhekise le eLibya since bezikhona vele izinto ebezikhona behind the scenes ezikhomba khona ukuthi uPhili ayibo uLilepo bafowethu uzohamba, and vele uku-eda-ke kwe-winger bafowethu because uPhili bafowethu is a very talented player bafowethu, emunandi kakhulu mfana, and uzoba i-addition e-right kakhulu laphana kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. Happy kakhulu ama-fans, but into efaka ucopho kule move bafowethu ukubona ku-edwa uGiven Msimango. Siyazi vele ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithathile bafowethu laphana uMoloisane laphana kwi-Stellenbosch, so i-Stellenbosch vele was looking to booster nabo i-defense yabo, and njengamanje njengoba efikile uMoloisane ngalena bekhona uMiguel, uGiven Msimango bafowethu mina bengisambona addition e-right kakhulu laphana kwi-Kaizer Chiefs emumva bafowethu, ngoba siyazi phela bafowethu ukuthi emumva uma kulekha kuba nenkinga, as much as-ke isanawo amanye ama-defender i-Kaizer Chiefs esingathi no ayadlala, but le move bafowethu yokuthi badedele ama-players awu-2 plus ucash, because ucash asiwazi futhi bafowethu ukuthi kube imalini. Wena njengomlandeli nje, asike sithi njengomlandeli webhola, mhlawumbe singaze sithi njengomlandeli we-Kaizer Chiefs, njengomlandeli nje webhola, uyibona kanjani le move bafowethu? Was it a good move ukuthi uMsimango naye agcina ese-edwa eziphathi yedili, noma mhlawumbe nje naso iStellenbosch bafowethu bese sibamba i-Kaizer Chiefs inkunzi, since sazi-ke bafowethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs have been struggling ukuthi isayine abadlali kwi-PSL, njengoba ama-team evele anyusa imali uma ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyafika ithi izofuna i-player, but kujwayelekile nje lokho bafowethu ukuthi kuvele kunyuswe imali, esingazi ukuthi i-agenda enjani-ke lela bafowethu, ngoba phela ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu is still a dream for ama-players amaningi bafowethu, because siyazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-fan base bafowethu enkulu, and uma ukuthi udlalela i-team standard sayo i-Kaizer Chiefs, you are always expected bafowethu to do better. uMsimango-ke siyamazi uyi-defender bafowethu eliqinile, noma-ke phela-ke eke bakhona ama-injury bafowethu, ngoba phela ayi-part of igame bafowethu ama-injury, naye-ke ake ambamba nje lapha nalapha, but njengamanje ngicabanga ukuthi uGavin Hunt bafowethu naye uhleka yedwa, bekwazile bafowethu ukuthi acquireishe i-striker aphinde futhi athole ne-defender at the same time. Wena ngokwakho bafowethu, how do you rate this move? Do you think ukuthi it's a good move for Kaizer Chiefs, or is it a good move for Stellenbosch? Ubani obenefitha kakhulu lana ukudlula omunye?